Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and what we have here is a little mailbox lock by the Transatlantic Company, also known as Taco. And this was sent to me by the legal lock picker, so thank you for sending me this. And I can only assume, because it's from America, this is a relatively common mailbox lock. But look at the bitting. Now, I know they like to truncate their name to Taco, but it does make me think that maybe a Taco could be more secure than this lock. Let me just show you what I mean. So here we are. I've put the lock in a vise, mounted as it would be in the wild. There's the key. Works fine. And what we're going to do is just put some tension in the bottom of the lock, like that. There's the lock pick, but I'm not even going to use it this way up. And watch this. Ready? Go. There we go. That is how easy that was to pick. Now, I don't know how long that was, but I would say less than a second. Why did it take that long? Well, there is very little in the way of security in a bitting like this. All I did was to just put in a piece of flat metal like that at an angle, and you can see that it actually matches that bitting almost perfectly, meaning that it opens a lock in seconds. If it was just more extreme with its cuts up and down, then this little 5-pin lock may have held out a wee bit longer, but as it stands, I think I'd actually rather have an actual Taco. Right, hope you enjoyed watching that, and I'll see you all next time.